Hi, my name is Ali Rouzati. Welcome to Rugs in a Minute. Buying a rug can be an exciting yet challenging process at the same time. It can be difficult to find the perfect rug for your room if you don't come prepared in advance. It's important to take proper measurements of your space, to take pictures of your room, and to bring along fabrics or cushions when visiting a retail store to choose a rug. Also, hiring the right interior designer is a great idea as well, because designers not only have great connections to the best vendors, but they're able to provide top-level expertise at your disposal. Being prepared will save you a lot of time and energy, and will make the rug buying process much more enjoyable for you. I cannot emphasize how important this is. Just like any business, there are good and not so good rug retailers out there. Choosing a trustworthy and reputable retailer to do business with is key to finding the right rug with the right quality at the right price. When you hire an interior designer, they're able to use their established connections to help guide you to the right people in the rug industry. However, a simple online search through Google and Yelp will be extremely helpful as well. Make sure to read all the reviews, the 5-star, the 1-star, and the 3-star reviews. By properly going through all the reviews, you'll be able to make a proper judgment on how reputable a rug retailer is. Also, make sure to visit their website or Instagram account to see their activity and quality of their presentation. Generally, the most active rug retailers are the best ones. One last tip: avoid large-scale home furnishing stores at all costs and fake going out of business schemes. Not only do they mark up their rugs at ridiculous prices, but they tend to sell low-quality rugs and then slash the price down by 80% to give you the illusion that you're getting a good deal. By being an informed rug buyer, you'll be able to take pleasure in the fun and excitement of furnishing your room.